Tired of waiting hours for your phone to charge? Imagine powering your device from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. That's exactly what the Samsung Adaptive Fast Charger Kit for micro USB devices offers. Designed to deliver dual voltage charging at 9.0 volts and 5.0 volts with 2.0 amps, it speeds up your charging without compromising safety or device health. If fast charging matters to you, this kit is worth a close look. I've tested this charger myself, and the difference is clear. Whether you're rushing between meetings or running errands, this charger gets your phone ready quickly. Even if your device doesn't officially support fast charging, it still charges faster than most standard chargers. Plus, the included 5-foot detachable micro USB 2.0 cable lets you plug into any USB power source, not just wall outlets. That flexibility means you're not tied down when you need a quick boost. This charger isn't just for Samsung phones. It works seamlessly with a wide range of micro USB devices from brands like LG, HTC, Motorola, Huawei, BlackBerry, and more. That makes it a smart choice if you have multiple gadgets or want a reliable backup charger. The kit includes the Samsung EPTA20JWE adaptive fast charging wall charger and a full power micro USB cable, ready to sync data or charge your device efficiently. If you're looking for a dependable, fast charging solution that fits your busy lifestyle, this Samsung Adaptive Fast Charger Kit delivers exactly what you need. Cut down your wait time, keep your devices ready, and enjoy the convenience of versatile charging options. Try it when you're ready to experience faster, smarter charging.